Hello students, today I am going to start exercise 4 of class 10 book, which is linear inequation. So here there are two parts of this chapter where we see number one, we solve linear equation. So first I'll explain you what is linear inequation, and the main part is plotting of these numbers on a number line. So these are linear inequation, I'll tell you, and how we plot. So actually this exercise has two parts. First we solve, then we plot. So concept, solving and plotting. So today I'll give you brief concept, then I will teach you to plot. Then in my next video students, I am going to teach you how to solve, and plotting we have learned. So before we start, let me tell you what is an inequation. Generally equation you see we have equal to sign. So equal to sign is left side is equal to the right side. But when you see this sum, one side is more, x is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. All these things are called inequation. So later on we will see more. So these are, if you see, inequation. X is greater than 2, less than 6. X is greater than minus 3, less than equal to 4. X is greater than minus 3 and less than equal to 4. So these are examples of linear equation in one variable. So first, few very important concepts I am going to give you. So you can pause the video and copy whatever I have done, and then I'll move on to few concepts. First, as you all know students, our first thing is natural numbers, which are counting numbers. So counting number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we put whole number, that means 0 will come. Then we have integers, which starts from negative infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and it goes to positive infinity. Something which is very important is real number. So here you want to understand the concept of real number. Please see my class 9 video about rationalization, where I teach you rational and irrational number and how real number consists of this rational and irrational number. So please see my video, and I'll try to put the link, otherwise you can check in my YouTube. So real numbers cannot be represented. These are tabular or set builder form. So real numbers cannot be represented in a roster tabular form. The basic reason is between any two number. So suppose this is natural number 3 and 4, but in between these two there are infinite number of real numbers. So real number we cannot write in roster form. We need the rule method or set builder method, as I will show you. Here I have integers, whole number, natural number. So this can be represented in tabular form, but real number set we need set builder form. So today we are going to go lot of practice and learn and become master of plotting. So in the next class we will solve, and plotting will be very easy for you. Next, there are infinite real numbers between two numbers. So with this basic idea about linear inequation in one variable, we learn plotting of numbers on a number line. What do you mean by these numbers? These are generally, and in our council, most of the question which I will solve and what you get in ICSE is about real numbers. But sometime you have question on natural numbers, you have on whole numbers and real numbers. So very first question which I am going to teach you, let the set be A. This is how we read x such that these two dots, children, represent such that x is greater than 2, less than 6, and x belongs to. This symbol is belongs to. So you can kindly note and write in your copy, this sign is such that, and this sign epsilon represents belongs to. So here our set from which we have to take is natural number. So very first thing, x greater than 2. So what we do, as per the rule, you take one number more. So x greater than 2. So we have 3, 4, 5. So these 3 are natural numbers which are greater than 2. So I leave 2, and less than 6 means I take 5. So we have x such that which is greater than 2 and less than. So we leave 2 and we leave 6 because x is natural number between these two. X is a natural number between these two. Another question we see on natural number, x greater than -3 less than equal to 4. Less than equal to 4 means here it was less than, you leave it. Equal to means this has a meaning. It is less than this question. Sorry, see here. X is less than 4 as well as x is equal to 4. So here I'll take 4. So you make it. So boys, when you draw a number line, both sides you take arrow. It goes from negative infinity to positive. And the council rule says that one extra. Here I have taken many extra. At least one extra you will have on both the sides. So I'll explain it in the other example. So the very next question, number 2, x greater than -3. But children, x greater than -3 don't start from -2 because -2 does not belong to natural number. Where a natural number belongs, it starts from 1. So maybe it is starting from -3, but our answer will start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so x greater than -3, don't see here because this is same question. If I give you integer, it will start from -2. But always see this set, replacement set, where we see what we get here. So once more, we have this belongs to natural number. So we start with 1. Same question. If we have, see here, same question, we have integer, but one thing I am telling you, if this is, it belongs to W, whole number, we will include 0 because whole number starts with 0. So, next same question I am trying to show you. So this was same question, see, I have written here for whole number. So what we do here, so how to plot this example I will show you. Take 0. Here we have greater than equal to 3, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Take one extra. Take one extra this side and take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take one extra this side, take one extra this side. 2 arrows are important. You draw a line and see the spacing is. You can take 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter like that. So here what we do, student, is we have to plot x greater than equal to -3, but whole number starts with 0. Whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, less than 4. So see here, whole number, x belongs to whole number greater than -3. Don't see here because whole number starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Don't take 4 because it is less than 4. Here it was in this question less than equal to 4. So we had taken less than 4 and equal to 4, but here it is less than 4. So we go up to 3, and you see when I put these numbers, see above you don't put the lines, you put it down. So above I will show in real number how we put. So this is how you are going to plot. Same question, boys. Same question I have taken with little variation here. Is if same thing is an integer, is greater than -3. So -2 you do, then -1, 0, make it prominent, 1, 2, less than equal to 4. So 4 will be included. 4 will be included over here. So I have given an example of natural number. This is also natural number, whole number. Integer, you can go to the other side. Greater than -3 means -2, -1, 0, less than equal to 4. So we take 4. So these 4 example and 2 more example I will give you. So please you can pause the video and please copy it and then practice it. So many more I'll do. So you can plot in your home blank like this number line, then you plot it. So I'll give you two more examples before I go on to plot questions based on ICSE. So next two questions we have from examples which are non-ICSE. Then I'll go to ICSE questions example. So we did up to 4. Number 5 question is let E x such that, this is another way of writing, you can write this before, belongs to natural number, x greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 5. See a student, here both the signs are greater than, equal to and less than equal to. So when we plot, you can start with 1, but I'll take 1 or 2 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 extra here. So here this is natural number, it starts with 2 equal, greater than equal to 2, greater than 2 equal to 2, less than 5 equal to 5. So 2 we will take 3, 4 and 5. So here, so make it dark circle over here. Okay, next question. You see F is a set which X such that X belongs to. Now I start the main thing, and that is real number set, where we see most of the question comes here. This is very important plotting because most of the question comes from here. X greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to 2. So here as before, draw a number line. For practice you can draw a number of number lines. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See this, 1 extra this side and 1 extra this side, what the council says, and we do, you can put another extra. X greater than, now see here boys, the biggest difference is in real number. See what happens, greater than equal to 3. Take 3 and darken it. Sometimes you will see in some book they do it on the line, but we do with hand. We are not doing in textbook, printed textbook, so better do you above 3 including and including 2. Make it dark. So including means make it dark, and next example I'll tell you darken circle and hollow circle. So minus 3 is included. X is greater than minus 3, X is equal to minus 3. Here X is less than 2, X is equal to 2. Now join this with a thick line. Means there are infinite number of real numbers between two numbers, two integers. So minus 3, see here it was just dot 2, the next natural number is 3. But in between these two, if you see, there are infinite number of real numbers. So real number here, suppose you say less than equal to 2, 1.99, 1.999. So up to here, so just even last number is 2. So make 2 darkened circle, join. X is greater than minus 3 and less than equal to, both will be dark circle. Next I'll teach you another example where we have hollow circle. So now, next you can pause the video and copy and practice this. Next I'll take your examples from ICSE question. So question solving I'll teach you in my next video. Here I will teach you how to plot those answers. How to get answer I'll teach you. So how we will plot those questions in number 9. Those solution set what we call. So let us start with next number 7. Here I have, you can see question 23 of your textbook of exercise 4 linear inequation. What does that say? How to solve I'll teach you. Just I am going to teach you with how we plot those numbers. So take X such that X belongs to real number and X is greater than 3 less than equal to minus greater than minus 3 less than equal to 3. So this is question 23. You can see we have to solve, then we have to plot, but I am teaching you plotting because it is very important. Maybe it carries 1 mark, but this is very important to plot, then it clears your concept. So how we do over here? We draw a number line. Since this is real number minus 3, you take minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than equal to 3. This will be a dark circle, children. This will be a dark circle. Greater than minus 3. So it will not start with minus 2. This is real number. So we draw a hollow circle. Why? It is greater than. Just we leave 3. But we include minus 2.999. Whatever here it is included. Then you join. So once more, children, see here nicely what we are doing. Greater than minus 3 means you leave minus 3. Hollow means just that number we leave. But even minus 2.99 we include, and here 3 is included. So where this equal to sign is there, we put a dark circle. Where no equal to sign is there, greater than equal to, with a hollow circle we put, which represent this is excluded and this is included. Okay, next I'll show you. Suppose same question. Let me call it G1. Suppose G2, I put same question with natural number. X greater than minus 3 less than equal to 3. Same question, just I am changing the replacement set. So what we have here, we plot a line, number line, and since this is natural number, you may have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, up one little bit you leave so that we will draw natural number greater than minus 3. These are not natural number. Natural number starts with 1. So please don't plot these lines because you see replacement set is natural number. So this is 1 less than equal to 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once more. X such that x belongs to natural number and x is greater than minus 3, but we cannot take this. These are all greater than minus 3, but these are integers, children. Natural number starts with 1. Same example, G3. I take, it belongs to whole number. X is greater than minus 3 less than equal to 3. What will happen here? Same thing, it will start with 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number 0 because it is greater than minus 3. Okay. And less than equal to 3. So here we will start from 0 and go to 3. So once more, integer, there are many numbers. A continuous number, infinite numbers between these two numbers. If you see in the natural number, we have only 3 numbers in this form. Only 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Whole number, if you see, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, which satisfies this. Okay. So next, we move on to more ICSE kind of question. You can pause the video and copy and practice. So this was question 23. Now I will take question 8, which will be my book's question number 25. 25 says x such that, this is my number 9 maybe, 6, 7, 8 or 9, you just check, maybe 8. See, x says that x belongs to real number, x is greater than minus 1, greater than equal to minus 1, less than 5, we have to plot it. So question is, x is greater than x, let me call it h1. Okay, h1, x such that x belongs to whole number, x is greater than -1 and less than 5. All these questions, children, I will solve. We will get this solution set from this replacement set, and then the last step is plotting, which is very easy and very important, which I am teaching you today. Once more, draw number line. Number line you draw, real number. So -1, you take one extra this side, little down only you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5, I take one extra. This is -1, I take one extra. This side, one extra that side. X belongs to real, x is greater than equal to dark circle. Children, this will be dark circle, and less than 5, this will be hollow circle. This is dark circle. And when this is there, this will be hollow circle. And put the line between them. This shows there are infinite number of real number between -1 and less than 5. So this is same question in short, boys. If I show you h2, if it belongs, x belongs to natural number, same answer. And another one I'll show you, x3 set, if x belongs to whole number, what we will get, children? 1, see, for natural number, answer will be only 1. See the difference, why I am teaching you this. This same question, same set, where we change the replacement set to natural number. So here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Natural number, same condition, greater than -1. We don't put it here. 1, don't see, -1, 0 are integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5. We don't take 5. It's here only, up to 4 last. Not here. It will not go like this. Okay. Same thing with whole number. See what will happen. It will start with 0. You start with 0. Okay, because it's more than -1. Greater than equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is less than 5. So we put a dark circle here on the spot and we get. So once more, integers we have, this is real number. One I could have shown you with integers. Integers, same thing. Suppose h4, x belongs to I. What would have happened? So one question I am telling you, 4 types of replacement set. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see with integers, if we have greater than equal to -1, this will be included 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all 4 I have shown you in this example to clarify your concept. This is real number, h1 belongs to, where x belongs to real number, natural number, whole number, integer. Real number -1 to less than 5. It will go up to 5. Hollow circle, dark circle means included. You draw a line. Infinite numbers of real numbers are there between this. Here this is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers greater than equal to -1. Since it is equal to, we take -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5. So these are 1 numbers, but real number is a continuous number. 2 more examples I'll show you, so you can pause the video and see. 2, 3 more examples I'll tell you, and then I'll teach you solving this in next class. So this was about, you can practice one. So this is 25. 26 is very similar. You can practice. Just I'll show you last 2 sum, how we solve if it is a fraction. So 2 more questions I will solve and we will end this session over here. So let us see books questions. Plotting, solving I'll teach you later. Plotting, question number 27. See here. My order, if you see, maybe this is 9 or 10, whatever, but books question. Let it be J set X such that X belongs to R. X is greater than minus 2, less than 15 by 4. This is nothing but 3 by 4. So X is less than 3 by 4, and here there is a sign greater than. Okay, so if you plot this, children, on a real number replacement set, what we see is 0, 1, minus 2. So this is a real number. Greater than equal to, it will be a dark circle here. Greater than equal to, less than 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see here, 3 by 4. So if it is 3 and 4, you have to have 3 by 4, 3 part out of, plot 3 lines here. So what is this? First one is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 part. 3, 1 by 4. This is 3 and a half, 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3. There are 4, you draw 3. 3, 1 by 4, 3, 2 by 3. Here what we do? We draw hollow circle. So what we do? We draw a hollow circle here and you write 3 by 4 and join them, and this is there for your, this is the plotting of this. Okay, first we get solution set and then we plot. So this is the solution set and the replacement set is, these are the replacement set. So this is your solution set which I am plotting once more. Greater than, see what is the replacement set? Real number. It starts from minus 2 including, and it's a continuous. Same thing, children, I am not going to plot. Same thing if it is natural. Answer will be 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers minus 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because integers will not come, real number will come. Last integer here, less than this is 3. So integer will be once more, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Whole real natural number 1, 2, 3. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. So last example for today is, so please copy, pause the video and copy. Then I am going to the last question for today's session, and that is I am going to solve question number, another fraction question, which is question 29 of the book. My one may be 10. So follow the book's order. I'll call it K. X such that X belongs to. Boys, 90% of the question comes from real number set. But I taught you because sometime you may get natural whole number and your. So here X is greater than equal to 3 minus, this is 1 by 2. So greater than this, less than 2, and X belongs to R. So how do we plot here? Let us see. Here 1 minus 1 minus 2, half. So half you draw one line, 2 means 1 here. So this point we have, children, is minus 1.5. Including means you draw a dark circle here. Draw a dark circle here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 extra. Less than 2 means here it will be a hollow circle, 2. A hollow circle, draw a line between them. Once more, X belongs to real number. There are infinite numbers between this. This is minus 1.5 or minus 3 by 2. Greater than equal to, take a darkened circle, and here less than means a hollow circle means we leave 2, but other 1.99, 1.999 all are included in this. So boys, this was all about plotting of these numbers on a number line. Very easy, very interesting, very important. Hope you have enjoyed it. You will practice it. So please copy, draw a number of number lines and then take the questions and try to plot and check. So my next class, students, I will go how do we get this, that I teach you in 1 or 2 videos, and then you will be seeing plotting. So this was something very easy from class 10 ICSE syllabus. So I have started your class with this. Thank you.